Okay, guys, I'm going to follow up something I've just done for the guys, which is this. It's looking for about 20 pips. Um, it's not a million miles away from going into market now. Would have liked to have been in a bit earlier, but let's have a look. So it's kind of roughly there now. So I'm about to take the trade. Okay, so bear with me just a second while I drop in to this. Now, I'm late to the party on this one, so I'm going to have to sort of try and follow the candles up a little bit. Okay, so drop that into there. Let me just move this box out the way, because what I want is, I just want to get under there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the base of it, but I want to stay away from there. And we're looking for 20 pips, but I want to follow this up. Okay, now let me just kind of show you where this came from, and then I'll explain a couple of things. So I've done the analysis. Okay, here it is here. So we are selling. It's a bear market. It's an A trade, so it's looking for about 20 pips. Right, it's just triggered into market now. So it is tight. But to back things up, because I always do back things up, before I've gone to market, there's the same sheet going in, what the guys have seen earlier. You can see it's gone in. But in the bulls and bears, there's the breakdown. And it came from here, because there's the breakdown as well. Because Lineth, little salute to you, kid, has done a markup and has got roughly where I am. So happy days, happy days. And it's good to see the score sheets being used correctly. And there we are. It's just a quick continuation. I would have liked to have had it higher up, but you take what the market's willing to give, not being greedy, come down, see if it probes. But now I can actually stage this all the way through this arena. And not only can I stage it through the arena, I can get better positions in as well. So let me do the trade, because it's really fingers and thumbs, this one. I want it to come to market relatively quick and just show you it in the moment. So I'll play it out. I'm going to enjoy my coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes it coffee, and see if I can get some extra positions into it. Okay, boys and girls, I'm back. Been monitoring this on my phone while out getting myself in the good books with Joanne. So how have I done that? I bought her a new car. But look, it's done pretty much what we wanted. Could have held it longer, but I didn't want to because it's stretched. I've also got news announcements all today. So, no tickets. Everything's off. And there you go. Following on from what I did yesterday. Everything I do, I try and back it up. Alright. So, showed the guys what this is this morning. Spoke about the one that we were doing last night. Again, salute to Kevin. So proud of you. You did really well. And it played out just like we planned. Homework is everything. Get it right. The trade is easy. The problem is too many people look for magic pills. There isn't one. It's just common sense. So again, I do one of these public for you. Everything else is in the squad. And that's where it'll stay. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love. And the money will follow. See you on the next one.